Howdy partners, today we have the final video on one of the knives that you'll be eligible to win. I'm excited to announce that we have hit 100 subscribers, so tomorrow I'll be giving one of these away. Now today we are going over the Nabalis Wing, and yeah. The Nabalis Wing, I think, is also another sweet butterfly knife by Nabalis. I mean, they have 3 here that are just awesome bang for your buck. So, I got this wing as a blem, and I honestly can't tell what about it is a blem. So that's pretty sweet when you can find deals like that. I'm not opposed to buying a blem because you will use it, so it's gonna get blemmed anyway. So you might as well save a few shekels. You might as well save a few shekels in the process. I believe it's aluminum handles, channel, which is sweet, just like all these 3 knives are. It's a little slippery, but with this milling, it is a little bit more sticky, which is awesome. Oop. So, let's see if we can't get a roll over here. There we go. Yeah. I mean, it is a good knife. I can't seem to flip right now, but have I ever been able to? So, the only thing I have seen with this is you might have to put some oil. Right there, there's a little bit of pitting at the tip there. There's a little bit of pitting, but that'll come off. The